Have you ever wondered how bloggers earn money? The world of blogging is vast, dynamic, and full of potential. From sharing personal experiences to delivering expert advice, blogging allows individuals to express their thoughts and ideas in a unique way. And with the digital age at its peak, the popularity of blogging has skyrocketed. But there's more to blogging than just sharing your thoughts with the world. It's also a fantastic avenue to earn money. Yes, you heard that right. Blogging can be a lucrative business venture if done correctly. You might be wondering how. Well, there are several ways to monetize a blog, from advertising to sponsored posts, and even affiliate marketing. We'll delve into these monetization methods in detail later on. For now, just remember that blogging can be more than a hobby. It can be a source of income. So if you are intrigued by the idea of earning money through blogging, stay with us. Creating a successful blog starts with, well, creating a blog. Right off the bat, we're diving into the heart of the matter. Setting up a blog may seem like a daunting task, but it's actually quite straightforward when you break it down into simple steps. First things first, you'll need to choose a blogging platform. This is where all the magic happens, the stage for your soon-to-be dazzling online presence. WordPress, Blogger, Wix, or Squarespace, to name a few. It's all about finding the one that suits your needs and feels comfortable for you to navigate and manage. Once you've picked your platform, it's time to select a niche. The niche is essentially the main theme or topic of your blog. This is a crucial step in the process because it's what will attract your target audience. Your niche could be anything from cooking, fitness, tech, travel, to even underwater basket weaving if that's your jam. The key is to select a niche that you'll enjoy writing about consistently. Now let's set up the blog. This includes choosing a catchy and relevant blog name, selecting a visually appealing theme, and creating your first few posts. As for the posts, make sure they're well-written, engaging, and provide value to your readers. And voila, you have a blog. But remember, it's not just about setting up the blog. It's about maintaining it, nurturing it, and letting it grow. Consistency is key, and so is patience. Remember, a well-crafted blog is the foundation of your blogging income. So take the time to do it right. Your future self and your future readers will thank you. You've set up your blog, but now, what to write about? It's a question every blogger has asked at some point. The answer is simple yet complex: quality content. But what exactly does this entail? Quality content is not just about writing well, it's about providing value to your readers. It's about finding a unique perspective, a fresh take on a topic that resonates with your audience. Whether it's an in-depth guide, an insightful review, or a personal story, your content should spark interest, provoke thought, and inspire action. Consistency is also key. Regularly publishing fresh content keeps your blog active and your readers engaged. But remember, consistency should never compromise quality. It's better to have fewer posts of high quality than a plethora of mediocre ones. Originality, too, cannot be overstated. Authentic content not only sets you apart from the crowd, but also establishes your authority in your niche. Quality content is the fuel that drives your blog's success. Now that you've got a blog and content, how do you turn that into income? Well, this is where monetization comes into play. Monetization is the process of turning your online presence and digital content into a source of income. There are several ways to do this. One of the most common ways is through ad revenue. You can place ads on your blog and earn money whenever a visitor clicks on them. Another popular method is sponsored posts, where companies pay you to write about their products or services. Then there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. But remember, successful monetization isn't just about having these strategies in place. It's also about driving traffic to your blog and engaging with your audience. The more people visit your blog and interact with your content, the more opportunities you have to earn money. Monetization strategies are the keys that unlock your blog's earning potential. You're well on your way to creating a profitable blog, but there's more to learn. It's been a journey so far, hasn't it? We've laid the foundation, set up the infrastructure, and even dabbled in the art of quality content creation. But as they say, the devil is in the details. In our upcoming video, we're going to delve into the nitty-gritty of blogging. We'll explore the diverse world of monetization strategies. From affiliate marketing to sponsored posts and pay-per-click ads, we'll cover it all. But what good is a monetized blog if it doesn't have any visitors? That's why we'll also discuss how to build traffic and create a loyal audience. We'll even touch on some advanced techniques to keep you ahead of the curve. From SEO optimization to social media promotion, we'll guide you through it all. In the next video, discover the secrets to boosting your blog's traffic and supercharging your monetization. Don't miss it.